What is going on, people? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video on flipping cheap cars for big profits. I've only gone and done it again. Managed to find an absolute stunning little 1 litre zero road tax 2015 Suzuki Alto. This is a one owner, so zero previous keepers, one owner from new. 32,000 on the clock. We've only got one key with it, so we need to get another key. The key we have, unfortunately, is the one that doesn't have the central locking on it, so we need to definitely get a key for that. Let me get out of the car, do a quick walk around, and we can talk more about the car. It's been raining, but hey ho, let's check this car out. Right guys, it's raining, so I want to make it nice and quick. As you can see, stunning little thing. I am getting wet for you guys, so make sure you give me a thumbs up for this one. The damage on this, you can see the car is absolutely clean. Only damage is here. It looks like someone's reversed into it very lightly, so there's not much damage. There's not even damage to the paint itself, so that should be a nice easy repair. We're going to blend this bumper in, get that scuffed up and painted, and then blend it in, and then we should just polish the whole car. There's not much to do on this one. 32,000, one owner, 2015, zero road tax. The wheel trims, we definitely need to get all four of them off, sand them down, give them another coat of silver. That should bring it up really well. Let me take a step back. Just have a look at the paint on this. Nice little thing. Paint is really good on this. I mean, you would expect that for a 32,000 mile car though, right? Wouldn't you? The steels behind the wheel trims, as you can see, no rust at all on them. Car hasn't been cleaned yet. We got this little crack in the bumper. We'll just plastic weld it, sand it down, and just paint it up to there, and then blend the rest in, and then polish the bumper. Well, we're going to polish the whole car anyway, so that shouldn't be a problem. Few little touching ups to do over here, but yeah, I mean, what do you think? Another good one, right? When I started off doing car trading, guys, I had no structure whatsoever to doing car trading. I was buying so many different cars, and they was taking long to sell. Now I've got a little bit of a structure. I go for these 1 litres, a lot more newer cars, cheap to run, much more affordable for people in today's time and age where prices of living is extortion, the price of fuel. People want these cars, so if you guys are getting involved in car trading, try and look for these 1 litre cars. They're great sellers. And this one here, what does this car cost me? I think all in, including going to pick it up with the fuel, I think I'm in £1,700 all in, and it's a HPR clear car as well, guys. So I think retail on this is around 4 grand. I won't be pricing it up at that, so stay tuned. Once the repairs are done, we'll run through the numbers and we'll see exactly how much I'll be asking for this car. But first of all, I've got to see how much it's going to cost to get it all done. Paintless repair, but by the way, it's going to be a paintless repair on that because it's too good to get it all painted up and shit. Interior, absolute banger. Mileage, very low. Carpets, very good. Original carpets as well, so they're worth a good clean. Seats, nice again. Going to definitely do a wet vac. This car is going to be spotless when I'm done with it. Absolutely love it. Absolutely. Let me open the back doors. Bang! You can see there's a little pet bin in here. So we've had a dog in here. So we're definitely going to give it a good clean, guys. Wet vac and get this car looking absolutely spotless. Look at the door jambs. Look at the doors. Look at that. That's a mint car, man. One of the greatest ones I've got so far. I mean, the Nissan Pixel was really good as well. This, funny enough, is actually a Nissan Pixel as well. If you look at the back of this, looks exactly the same as the Nissan Pixel. The lights, everything, same car. Bumper. I think the difference between the Nissan Pixel, the Suzuki has a sort of an indent where the number plate goes. The Pixels don't. But yeah, it's a nice one, man. Absolute nice one. So guys, I'm back in the car now. It's raining again, and I just thought I'd do a nice quick little walk around for you guys, just so I can give you people a nice update on where I'm at right now. In case you ain't noticed that, like I said, I've been dealing with a lot more newer cars, a lot more less mileage. I tend to go for cars with a lot less mileage nowadays, and some with service history, I pay a bit more for premium. It's well worth, if you're getting involved in car trading, it's well worth not spending any money on junk. Just keep investing every single penny you have right back into the business, because you will progress really fast and you will get to the point where you're making a decent enough income to buy decent vehicles again, as well as have some money left over for yourself. But in the first few months, it's going to be straight up investing right back in the business, because your progression on your own business is the best, you know, the best feeling that you can actually have. I haven't taken a wage for ages since I ain't taken a wage at all, to be honest, at all. And I'm slowly getting to the point where I can afford to buy better cars and still have a little bit of money left in the bank. So I'm getting really proud. It's giving me more excitement to get out and want to keep on flipping, because I've got to the point where now any profit I make, I can afford to buy decent cars, and the profit I have can actually go back in the bank. We are progressing really fast, and that's only because I've invested every penny right back into the business. So stay tuned, guys. I've been trading for almost a year now. It's been 10 months, but in August, when I hit 1 year of trading, I'm going to give you an update, and I will do all the cars I've sold, how much I've made in 1 year. And I think that's going to be a great way of seeing how good car trading really is if you put the time and effort into it. And I'm going to be honest, I've not put that much effort into car trading. I could have done a lot better than I've done right now, to be honest. I won't be buying cars anymore from Copart and ASM unless they're not damaged, because to be honest, the time it takes to get these cars fixed and sold has taken, you know, 3-4 weeks out of my time that I could have potentially have sold these vehicles. So Mannheim, I'm coming for you, because if I get a car from Mannheim, I'll get them cleaned, I'll get them listed, and I could probably have around triple the sales that I've already done so far with the cars I've got damaged. Great, it's a great place to start. I think if you guys don't have the time and you just want something to list really quick, stick with Mannheim or BCA. I've not yet shopped from them or bought anything, so I'm looking forward to that kind of car trading. So stay tuned, guys. In the next video, I will do a proper video of this car when it's not raining, and we'll do a little walk around update on the Ford, and the Nissan Pixel will be coming as well. So stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I'll see you people in the next one. Bye bye.